Assalamu alaikum, good morning, grade 6. I am your science teacher Nehdia. In the previous lecture, I discussed how cell supports life, and at the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the functions of some important tissues and organs working in plants and animals. So, let's start. Students, in multicellular organisms, cell work in groups. A group of cells performing same function is called a tissue. Plants and animals have different tissues in their bodies. Firstly, we will discuss some plant tissues. A vascular bundle is a part of transport system in plants. The transport itself happens in vascular tissue which exists in two forms, xylem and phloem. The main difference between xylem and phloem is that xylem tissue conducts water and dissolved salts from roots to the leaves, while phloem tissue carries prepared food from leaves to other parts of plant. Mesophyll cells are large spaces within the leaf that allow carbon dioxide to move freely, and the most important role of the mesophyll tissues is in photosynthesis. The epidermis is a single layer of cells that cover the leaves, flowers, roots, and stems of plants. It forms a boundary between plant and external environment. The epidermis serves several functions. For example, upper epidermis serves to reduce water loss from the leaf, while lower epidermis regulates gas exchange and helps to prevent water loss. Now we will discuss some animal tissues. In an animal's body, muscle cells form muscle tissues to help in movement. Bone tissue is formed by bone cells. This strong and solid tissue gives shape and support to the body. Blood cells form blood tissue. This tissue carries materials from one part of the body to the other. Students, now we will talk about the organs in plants and animals. As you all know that different tissues group together to form organs, our body is made up of number of different organs such as heart, lungs, eyes, brain, etc. An organ is made up of different tissues which work together. An organ performs one or more than one functions. So here are some important plant organs. Plant leaf is an important organ and leaves make food. A flower is another important organ of plants. Flowers produce seeds. Seeds grow to produce new plants. The organ that holds the plant in the soil is called root. Root also absorbs water and salts for the plant. Here are some animal organs. The heart pumps the blood in blood vessels which carry it to all parts of the body. Our tongue is an organ which tastes food and helps in digestion of food. Liver is an organ which helps in digestion of food. It also performs many other important functions. Students, this is all for today's lecture. Now what you have to do after going through the lecture is to think that if fat protects our heart and kidneys from injuries, is fat also a tissue? If you have any query, you can ask me at this email ID. Until then, Allah Hafiz.